And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send me this colorful board. This is an LED note board. And as you can see, you get the note board, you get your charging cable, you get the stand, the markers, the cloth, etc. And you can draw cool stuff like this on it. So I'm gonna open it up and kind of show you what we're looking with. So this is the main part. You gotta remove this film. Use. There we go. So then, little user's manual, your markers and the cloth. Look at all those colors. Very nice. Love how many color options. And then this is your stand, and that's just trash. Take the stand out, and you're essentially able to angle it however you may need. Something like that. And then if I undo this, I can run this USB to right behind my desk here. And look at that. Let there be light. Then I've got all these nice markers. Pick green since that's my favorite. I love you. I'm putting like a heart over here. There you go. Now I do love how many different colors they give you. This is really, oh, that works too. It's an easier way to show you. This is a lot of color choices down here. You've got a couple greens, you've got a baby blue, a dark blue. You've even got like two pinks, the red, the orange. So very nice. That's essentially what you would get on this. And thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.